The Internet of Things is about devices and objects sending data on the internet. In many countries, we're used to having a lot of data, so we live in data-rich countries. But there's many places in the world where there's not that much data. So coming up with solutions that are low cost and sustainable, both from the financial but also from the energy point of view, can enrich these countries in getting more data. The Internet of Things can be used to monitor the environment, especially for climate change. So we're showing a weather station, which is based on the Internet of Things paradigm. So it's a low power device, it's a low cost device, and it can go very long distance. These devices need what is called a gateway to send data on the internet. So the gateway is sort of an access point, as we're used to for Wi-Fi, but it's used for devices. In the implementation, one has to set up these gateways in a country, and to these gateways, one can connect more devices. In fact, one gateway can support up to 1,000 devices. So one can add many weather stations, many water level sensors, air quality monitors, and so on and so forth. The solution we designed at UNESCO and at ICTP is a solution that doesn't require internet connectivity or can deal with intermittent internet connectivity. So we have been working in a number of countries, in Timor-Leste, in Ghana, in Zimbabwe, in Mozambique, to set up this system so that the data is kept local, but some data can be sent on the internet if needed. In this case, we need science, because once you have the data, and now we can have the data in a cheap and sustainable way, we need to make sense of the data. So right now, of all the data produced by these devices, we only use 1%. So we need good models and good science to make use of much more data. The idea of these systems is that you will not have one weather station or a few weather stations, but you will have hundreds or even thousands of weather stations in a country based on this system. So you will have much more precise weather prediction. It can improve life because it can, for example, improve agriculture. So you can produce much more food, and we need more food because you know the weather patterns.